This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. This video is intended to help troubleshoot your Steelcaster or Polycaster Fleet Flex spreader when your control is displaying an error code indicating a fault condition. Before beginning, please refer to your spreader and vehicle's owners and installation manuals to follow important safety procedures and guidelines. In the event that your spreader control is displaying an error code, refer to the cab control code section in the owner's manual to determine the possible causes and suggested solutions. Now we will go over the different code scenarios to help assist you in troubleshooting your hopper. If your control displays a BB code, this indicates a bad button. The possible causes could be that a button is stuck or a button was pressed while the vehicle ignition was entering the accessory or start mode. If you suspect the button is stuck, inspect the control and try freeing up the button. Pressing any control buttons while the vehicle ignition is being engaged will also cause this code to occur. The CE code indicates a communication error. This code is present when the communication signal is lost between the cab control and the spreader module. Some possible causes are a loose connection or a loss of power at the module. Confirm that the spreader and control harnesses are properly connected to the vehicle harness. Check power to the spreader module, all connections, fuses, and power studs. Ensure that port B is plugged in. Check that all connections are clean and free of corrosion. The CP code indicates a chute present fault. The most probable causes for this code are that the chute is open or there is a bad connection at the chute present magnet switch or harness. Ensure that the chute is closed. Reset the control by pressing the on-off button. If the CP code continues to display, contact your local authorized dealer. If the CT code is displayed, this indicates that the control is too hot. This could occur if the cab temperature is too high or the control has overheated. Turn off the spreader and allow the control to cool off. When the EF code is displayed, this indicates that there are excessive drive faults. This could be caused by too many HO and/or SO error codes, as well as the hopper module overheating. The control will time out for 60 seconds to allow the module to cool. Ensure that the conveyor and spinner are not jammed and spin freely. An HO code indicates a hopper conveyor overload. This is typically caused by the conveyor chain being jammed, the chain being damaged, or the drive motor drawing high current. Inspect the conveyor system, clear any jammed material, or fix the chain as needed. The HP code shows that there is a hopper power issue or that there is no motor connected. Possible causes are that the hopper drive motor is not connected or that the motor is defective. Check that the connections to the conveyor drive motor are tight and clean. If further repair is required, contact your local authorized dealer. The LB code indicates low battery. This occurs when the hopper module is sensing low voltage. This can be caused by a bad connection, corrosion, or low battery voltage. A snowplow or other vehicle accessories may be drawing down the battery voltage. Check the condition of all harnesses and ensure that the vehicle charging system is working properly. NC indicates no connection. The possible causes are that the vehicle harness has become disconnected at the back of the vehicle, the 100 amp megafuse has blown, or there is excessive corrosion in the harness. Check the vehicle harness fuse. Inspect the spreader and vehicle harnesses as well as the module. OH indicates overheating. This can be caused by the spreader module being too hot, a malfunction in the spreader module, accessory wiring, or drive motor overload. Allow a cool-off period of 60 seconds or longer. Check for loose harness connections. Check the integrity of the accessory wiring and harness. Clear any jammed material. RS indicates reset of spreader module. This can be caused when the module detects power loss upon startup. Reset the control by pressing the on-off button. Check the vehicle harness and battery connection. SO indicates spinner motor overload. This can be caused by material being restricted in the chute, damage to the spinner shaft, the drive belt being misaligned, or seized bearings. Inspect the spinner and spinner motor components for alignment and condition. Check for damage to bearings, belts, shafts, and sprockets. Adjust and replace parts as required. SP indicates a spinner power issue or no spinner motor connected. The possible causes are that the spinner drive motor is not connected or there is a possible motor defect. Verify that all the harness connections are tight and free of corrosion. Thank you for watching this video. For any other questions regarding issues with your spreader, please contact your local authorized dealer for further assistance.